welcome to my channel. This is Kitty here, and today I'm going to show you how to make this card. It's called a concept card and it's a reveal a window card. I might change it a little bit, but it will mostly be the same. Yep, so here we go. First, you have to have the dies to cut out these elements. This is where it all starts, so this is how it's going to go. So first we need to stamp these images in the stamping platform. If you've got one of these, this is perfect. So you start off with this one first, the big one. Place it in the stamping platform like this. These are the stamps to stamp with. So you start off with this one first, the one that goes in this one, like so. Line it up in the square, like so. You got to make sure it's in within the square here to have it stamping perfect. That's quite good the first time, but I think I'll do it just once more, because I like a bolder image, so when you colour it in it looks a lot better. There we go. So that's the first one. Put that out of the way and get the second one, and make sure you do it on this side where the score lines are. So you get your second stamp. Let me just clean this one first. And so you get your second stamp, which is this one here. Make sure it's lined up, that you can see faintly there's a square here. There, make sure it's lined up in the square, like so. Stamp this up. Ink it up, sorry, not stamp it up. There we go. Do it just one more time. Like so. There you see we've got a good image there. So that's that. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to go off camera and colour these in, and then I'll come back afterwards. So see you in a bit. The concept of the card. So this is how you put it together. There's two pieces here. You get this one and you slot it into here, like so. Like this. And there's 4 slots. And you slot one in each. Hold on a minute, wait a minute, it's come out here. Like so. I'll put it down. You slot one in each of the slots. One there, one there, one there, and one there. Like so. And when you've done that, you check it if it's moving like this. If it's working. It should be working like this. You should be able to see it doing that, like so. And then there's some score lines here. first. You're supposed to score it first actually. Anyway, you score it like this, where the score lines are, like so, on both sides. Make sure you've scored it properly for it to close properly. And then you get your glue tape, like this. Put glue on both of the sides. The red liner tape is better for this, but for speed I'm using the glue runner. And it don't seem to work. Oh, there we go. Like so. And then you make sure it's in line and you close it. Should be closed properly. Hold on a minute. Make sure it's straight like this. Still a bit like that. That's, yep. And when you've done it, make sure it's still working properly like this. It should be working like so. So you've done that, and then there's another piece to it. There's a frame what you cut out, and then you glue the frame on top so that it covers the mechanism like this. Yeah. Put some glue on there. And make sure it's in the middle. Right there. And still check if it's working properly like this. It should be working nice and easily like so. So we've done that. That's the main one. So that's done. So now it's time to glue the card, to put the card together. And we're just going to put the card together now. Put some glue on the back. It's best not to put too much glue on. There we go. Good job it was the right way because I didn't even check it. Oh well, let's see. Right, now, just put the card together now. Not there. Put some tape in there on this one. There we go. Make sure it's all working properly, like so. And now you can embellish it how you want. This card here I made for my daughter, so it's got her name on it, but this time I'm going to change it a bit and put sister on it instead, so you can always adjust it for whatever, put any sentiment on whatever you want. So let's do this. Oh, first I've cut out under the sentiment here that will go here, And I've got these what need to be die cut. I need to die cut these before putting them on, but you need to put this sentiment here like this. And this bit here covers this, so it makes the card look more interesting if you put this here. So I'm going to glue this and put this here. Put a bit of glue tape on there. Oops. There we go. So it's best to put it down so you can get it in the middle like this, and then just turn it over. It's the easiest way to do it. See, it looks a lot better like that. And there should be a little pull me sign what you can put on the top, so when you give it to the person they know that they can pull it from there. So you just put a pull me sign there, put a bit of glue on there, and stick that in the middle like so. Like this. There we go. So stick the sentiment here at the bottom. Put that there, like so. So there's the sentiment there. And then I've got some peel-offs here. In the front. You have to be careful with these because they're very delicate and they do distort when you do take them off the sheet. It's best to use your tweezers for this, like this. Try to get it as straight as possible. And there we go. And then they've got some more peel-offs here, which I'm going to spell out sister. I don't really do any measuring, I just eyeball it so we know about here. But you can take more time and then measure it. Is that I? There we go. Another S. T. And E. And the R. You can use whatever stuff you've got in your stash. I happen to have these stickers. That spells out sister. And then I've got some die cuts here that'll go at the front, what you can put at the side there. So I'll just die cut these and I'll be back in a minute. Hi guys, I'm back. I've just die cut these two pieces that will go on the front here with some foam pads. So I was just putting some foam pads on the back of them. Some foam pads on the back of these, like so. 2 should be enough. You don't want to put any more than that. There we go. And the last thing is some gems. Put some gems on the front just to embellish it. You can put anything what you've got, or you don't have to if you don't want to, it's up to you. I should have put this on first, but I forgot about this, so it doesn't matter, I can still do it now. There we go. And then there's 2 little ones, just put on the side here, like so. There we go. And the last thing, if you want to put them on the inside of the card, a happy birthday on the inside. This is optional, you don't have to if you don't want to, but entirely up to you. There's a happy birthday on the inside of the card, which makes it look nice. There we go. And there's the finished card. It's a quick card. As long as you've got all the dies and everything, it's not very hard to make. And then just make sure it's working. There we go. And now the last thing I'd just like to say is that the things that you'll need to make this card is an 8x8 card, blank, some 8x8 papers, and that's about it really. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel, like and share, and thank you for watching.